Hi, and welcome to week 9 of quantitative reasoning. This week in class, we'll be covering lesson 9A, 9C, 10A, and 11A. We will also be completing the Unit 3 activity lesson quiz 9C. For class this week, you will need the lesson 10A spreadsheet. Quickly looking over our timeline. In class, we'll be doing 9A and 9C. Outside of class, you'll need to watch the Edpuzzles for lesson 10A and 11A. Please make sure you're filling out your notes and completing the practice and preview homework assignments. The Unit 3 mini project will also be due this week. Please make sure you're checking your emails and reading all the announcements. Please make sure you're also filling out this survey found in the important information announcement. I hope you all have a great week.